What next? Worry not. 10 things in your pre-departure checklist which you can follow before you actually fly out to the US. Number 1. You should learn how to cook. Remember, watching your mom or dad cook food for you and actually cooking it for yourself is a lot different. Theory और practical में काफी फर्क होता है and अभी तक I think you would have known that.
हम मालूम है तेरे बाप को मत सिखा चल.
And learning how to cook is a time-taking process. Usually it takes a month or two to be accustomed to different amounts of dishes. I would say learn around 14 dishes, तो आपका 2 हफ्ते का काम हो जाएगा and then you can repeat them on a side. The next thing is booking your air tickets. Usually air tickets are to be booked 2 to 3 months prior to the date of commencement of your classes. So for me it's in September, so by June or July I should have my air ticket. Worry not, I already have booked my air ticket. The third thing is, अभी आपने air ticket कर लिया. Now the third thing comes, which is insurance. Whenever you leave or step out of your homeland, it's best to get your life insurance. तो उसी के लिए we move on to the travel insurance. Generally, the companies or the airline services providers, they do not give you the airline travel insurance, and that is why we have to book it separately for ourselves. You can find it online, ICICI Lombard, HDFC Aero, etc. They all have nominal rates and have a good cover of around 2.5 lakh USD. And read the policy as well. Now, the fourth thing comes, which is immunization requirements and immunization forms of your respective university. You have to go through their health center website where they would have clearly mentioned what all immunization requirements they need. Immunization requirements का मतलब ये होता है कि what kind of vaccines do they need and what kind of tests are they asking you to do, especially tuberculosis, because they are very concerned about tuberculosis spreading in their continent. तो tuberculosis के test, chest X-ray and other vaccinations, तो ये सब आप check कर लीजिए of your respective university कि what their guidelines are about them, and get yourself done with these tests. I would say in the month of July itself. Don't postpone it to August, because हो सकता है August में you have to travel, और otherwise अभी तो COVID की भी 2 doses आ गए हैं, COVID vaccine की, तो you need to get those 2 doses as well. Now immunization forms. These forms which come in the fourth point, these forms are nothing but consent forms which your university might require to do some tests or any other thing on you and in USA. The fifth thing are the health checkups. So health checkups में usually in the handbooks and whatever our predecessors suggest are the eye tests and the dental tests. But let me include a couple of more. The third test which I am going to do is the ENT checkup, very very essential. And the fourth is a comprehensive body check, like cholesterol and everything, sugar, etc. So that I know कि everything in order inside my body before leaving. Eye and dental is highly recommended and suggested. That is because US में most of the insurances don't cover these tests, and it's very hefty cost. So that's why I suggest for eye, if you are wearing specs like me, get 2 or 3 spare specs, spare frames, क्योंकि कुछ भी हो सकता है. And dental, be done with all your surgeries or any dental checkups. Then the sixth thing is the housing. हाउसिंग देखो क्या होता है कि हाउसिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ऑब्वियसली कहीं पे तो अकोमोडेशन चाहिए ना, रहना तो है. तो देयर आर 2 टाइप्स ऑफ हाउसिंग्स, मतलब आपको हॉस्टल भी मिल सकता है ऑन कैंपस, ऑफ कैंपस, और यू रेंट आउट एन अपार्टमेंट ऑफ कैंपस. तो यूजुअली पीपल हु गो फ्रॉम इंडिया दे प्रेफर रिसाइडिंग ऑफ कैंपस बिकॉज द रेट्स हैव अ सिग्निफिकेंट डिफरेंस. क्योंकि ऑफ कैंपस में यू कैन शेयर द रेंट आउट if you're renting out an apartment, but on campus में usually the cases is such that off campus rates are slightly lower than what the on campus offers. तो I luckily got a hostel जिसमें rent includes my utilities as well, electricity, Wi-Fi, water, etc. everything, and also food. तो मेरे को cook करने की भी जरूरत नहीं. I'm lucky for. So you have to make sure you do that. Second thing which comes is the Forex card. Forex card is quite important. Actually, initially in the first month, जब आपका बैंक अकाउंट नहीं खुला, and it might take some time, so it's best to get a Forex card with you. And I would say avoid as much cash as possible because मतलब काफी जगह Forex swipe हो ही जाता है. So Forex के लिए I would suggest whichever city you are residing in, go to banks or travel agencies that issue the travel card or the Forex card and do a comparative study before you make an informed decision. मतलब जैसे for example I have done studies and the predecessors suggest that HDFC card, Neo card and Thomas Cook travel card, they are the best. But I have also inquired in other government banks as well. A separate video on that will be coming up soon. Then the eighth thing comes is shopping. Shopping may I'll definitely make another video on that in which I'll post a link to the list of things which I am planning to take. So it'll be a kind of a reference for you to go for shopping, and then accordingly जिस भी state में आप जा रहे हो you can adjust your list according to that. So shopping में you have to make sure you get the clothes right, you get your footwear right, undergarments and leisure clothes, class clothes. Apart from the clothing, I would suggest you take proper utensils. If you are renting out an apartment, will be needed for cooking. Basic utensils तो देखो सबको ही ले जाना पड़ता है. Plate हो गया, चम्मच हो गई, and then the glass, etc. ये सब तो चाहिए चाहिए. Bowl. But apart from that, major जो बड़े utensils होते हैं जिसमें you actually cook food, that is required if you rent out an apartment. Apart from that, the masalas का list होती है. वो सब मैं I'll put it in the description. You can go over it. But remember, all of this which I'm putting is for your reference, not to be followed exactly as it is. The ninth thing is writing down the important numbers or addresses in your diary. So what happens is, this is what I'm following. मतलब क्या होता है, whenever you land, sometimes it might happen कि your phone is dead or nearly dead and you can't contact the respective person which you were supposed to after landing because आपका phone dead है and you can't do anything. हर चीज तो phone पे होती है. So I would say note down important numbers like university का number, जिस apartment में जा रहे हो वहाँ का number, वहाँ का address, and ताकि you can convey it properly to the taxi drivers or whatever transportation you're going to take. Then आपका bank का number, etc. So this is some stuff which I'll be talking about in the next video. And the 10th and the final thing is that you got to plan the packing properly because packing में भी planning लगेगी before flying out. तो उसके भी I'll make a separate video. All the tips I will be giving out in the next video regarding the planning of packing. These were the 10 things which I have enlisted on my pre-departure checklist, and I hope this video was helpful and insightful to you in some way or the other. Thank you for watching my channel. This is Shaurya Seth signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe for more.